Bike check video for Leadville 100 2025. This is my Trek Supercaliber. It's a 2022 model. I've basically changed everything but the frame, all aftermarket parts. I have XX1 drivetrain. I have Gen 1 Race Kings 2.25s. I'm using Fidlock bottles. I have a 20,000 milliamp battery in this one. I'm going to try and film the entire Leadville from start to finish without any cuts. On my GoPro 12, I have the magnetic connector right here. I have Hope brakes on there. They're a little bit lighter than SRAM or Shimano. I have a 120 Fox front fork. It's aftermarket. This bike came with 100 millimeters. This is a Gen 1 version. What else do I have? So I'll try and cut the video right here and show you what's inside the seat pack. Here's what I'm bringing to the Leadville race. I'll start from right to left. It's a Ride Now tube. This is the Chinese kind. I've had good luck with them. I have the Stan's Dart, the old school plugs right here, 2 sizes of bacon strips, the Dynaplug. On that side I have spares, and on this side I have that small one. I'm not using the big one, I put spares on this side. This is the Leadville Carbon 10 with a little modification to lose some weight on it. It's titanium and carbon. Extra SRAM battery. CO2 inflator. Master link. Valve stem. Valve core remover tool. Extra valve core. 2032 battery. And then this is the Garmin InReach 2, but I haven't decided if I'm going to mount it on the back of my seat or just put it in the bag. So I have 2 bags here. This is like the Soca Grande, I think they call it, and then this is the smaller one. Whatever it fits in, I'm going to use. Okay, now this is a extra tire and like 4 CO2s, and then inflator head, an extra tube, and tire lever. And so I have 2 of these that are identical, and I'm gonna have these on mile, was it 28.5 or something, or 27.5? That's where my crew is, and then I'll have one more at mile 40-ish. That's where the dam is, Twin Lakes Dam. And my idea is if I get a puncture, say at mile 12 or something, and I can't fix the tire, I might get to mile 28, and if I have a tube in, I might just swap this out for a new tire. I also have a pump on my bike. All right, in the back I have the Garmin InReach 2. The idea for this is it's for my crew to be able to track me. Sometimes it's hard to find your crew during Leadville. There's so many people. I have a double seat post clamp. In case this breaks, this one will step in and hold me. The bike without bottles, with pedals, came in at a high 21 pounds. I'm gonna have a U-sweep, U-sway, whatever you call it, on my back. 2 liters of water. I have nutrition up here. I'm not sure if I'm going to carry this back bottle. I haven't decided that one yet. Look, pedals. I have like around 2,000 miles on these. They've been working really well. Gelfer brake rotors. They're lighter than the stock SRAM or Shimano ones. I think it was like 20 or 30 grams. Hard to remember. I've gone through a bunch of different flats. I've had problems with them breaking like way too early. I know you're supposed to take them apart and re-grease them, but I've gone through so many. So far these are working. I'm liking them, so probably need to get more for all my other bikes. Grips, they're the Ergon, what is it? GS1. This is the old style. The new style has the clamp on this side. I think that's about it. My idea for here is I drink the nutrition and then it snaps on pretty easily, so it's easier to eat on the go. This video is brought to you by SimpleCyclingNutrition.com. Use promo code STRAVA and you'll get 25% off and free shipping.